Welcome guys. We're gonna do an update on our MB4000 overhaul. So we've talked about the heads. Can you kind of bring us up to speed with what happens here? We already have them installed.
Yeah, they're torqued down and everything, ready to install the injectors, push rods, rock arms, keep going with the rest. Yeah, with these reman cylinder heads, it's a brand new cylinder head from Freightliner. They have you have to use an updated head gasket on these with a raised grommet head gasket.
Okay.
So it can seal the coolant ports and the oil ports, since it's a common issue on these have coolant leaks and oil leaks.
So there's
two different style head gaskets.
Yeah, the one is not just it's flat. The other one is raised.
Exactly, on the grommets. And yeah, obviously the head gaskets were done what, 6 months ago.
Yeah.
And they installed the raised grommet on the
flathead.
Exactly.
And so what happened?
It smashed the O-rings, the grommets, and that's why he had that big oil leak in the back.
So we saw the oil leak when it came in.
Yeah, it was leaking right here.
Yeah. We sent the head to his old ones to machine shop. We were very unhappy with the quality.
We had to purchase,
and we bought a new one, and that's now we know not to use not only the shop but also.
Yeah, that was our first time sending out the heads to that machine shop, and
we knew it. We were taking a risk with it. I wanted to take a risk to see what kind of work they would do, and in the meantime we ordered the new ones. But yeah, the quality just wasn't there. I wouldn't stand behind that.
Well, besides the quality, the turnover was a lot. You know, purchasing new heads, it's a lot faster, and you get the warranty.
Yeah.
Other than you're having the reman, and you never know what kind of warranty you're gonna get from that.
So, next stage on this one is what do we?
Yeah, we're gonna throw the intake exhaust manifold, torque the bottom end, push rods, injectors, rock arms, run the overhead on it, and fire it up.
Test drive it. Yeah, perfect.
Break it in, obviously.
Yeah. Good. We are gonna move along on this probably the next couple of days. We should be done with it. We are pretty busy in the shop, but we're just focusing on this to get it done as soon as we can. And
got a lot of data link issues going on. We got a D13 with some after treatment issues.
We got and then possible overhaul on D13.
D13, yeah.
Right.
Oh yeah, the one that's right next to
So if we do an overhaul on that one, we'll check in the head today. So we'll start shooting that and see if we can maybe document it as well. But perfect. Thank you guys for watching. Subscribe if you haven't, and talk to you soon.